So we're here in a Studio Deluxe at Disney's Boardwalk Villas. Are you considering it for your next stay to Walt Disney World here in Orlando, Florida? Well, if so, you'll want to stick around when we check it out right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we get started taking a look at this deluxe studio here at Disney's Boardwalk Villas, I just want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. So if that's the kind of stuff you want to see, be sure to subscribe down below. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on a single video. Alright, let's head inside. We're going to take a look at this deluxe studio here at Disney's Boardwalk Villas. So as we head into our deluxe studio, Boardwalk View Villa here at Disney's Boardwalk Villas at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, the first thing we're going to come across is a pretty large entryway. A great space here with a large mirror. This was actually quite perfect for placing our empty suitcases. The next thing we'll take a look at is the kitchenette. Your standard Disney kitchenette here has a small refrigerator, coffee maker, coffee, additional supplies, microwave, and some other small appliances. This has just about what you need for your trip here to Walt Disney World if you're just looking for a place to stay and spend the night as you head to the parks all day long. Across from the kitchenette is where you'll find the bathroom. You do have a separate vanity area here with a very large mirror outside what is the main toilet and shower room. There's also a pretty large closet here located just off to the left. And now we'll head in and take a look at the toilet and shower. Not much to see in here, kind of your standard toilet and shower. Kind of on the small side, but again, not too bad. Kind of just what you'd expect here in a Disney Vacation Club Studio Villa. Now we'll head into the main living and sleeping area. You do have a queen-size bed here and a large mirror on the wall over there as well. And of course, your standard sleeper sofa. And you're going to also find some exposed plug-ins and USB ports here beside the bed as well. This villa actually did have quite a bit more room in it than we were expecting. Pretty good sized villa here. You do have also a nice coffee table there in front of the sofa bed. There's also a large set of drawers in here in what looks like an armoire from the outside. Plenty of space to unpack all the clothes that you bring with you. You're also going to find here a small dining area, which up above it is a very large flat screen television. And something else very interesting and very handy about this dining area is when you remove those chairs, you can fold this down into a Murphy bed. This room actually sleeps 5 people. 2 on the queen size bed, 2 on the sleeper sofa, and 1 in this Murphy bed. Our Murphy bed just happened to have a scene from Disney's Dumbo painted on the back. Alright, it's time to head outside and take a look at the patio. Just 2 chairs and a small table. Not too bad of a patio out here, not really big. It did look like it could use a paint job on the floor there, but otherwise not too bad. And of course, we did have a boardwalk view, so a great view up and down the boardwalk. Now when we were there, it wasn't very busy. It was actually pretty quiet and pretty empty. The rest of the resort was not open, but the villas for Disney Vacation Club were bookable for reservations. So that's why you're not seeing anybody out here on the boardwalk. So there you have it. What do you think? Are you heading here for your next trip? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd sure like to hear about it. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to see more videos about timeshare, check out the description box below. And for another video about Disney Vacation Club, check out this one right up here. And YouTube, they think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.